Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Gone are the days of chalk and talk. Students at St. Aloysius Primary are now learning in high-tech style and they're excited about it. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Appreciation through melodies and lyrics, music and choreography. It's children's appreciation for technology, not for the screen time, but the learning possibilities. This Smart Lab was donated to St. Aloysius Primary School by Coldax Smart and Digital Foundation and facilitates 24 students at a time. Grade 5 students, plus a Smart Lab, plus a math lesson. The total, joy.
I'm very excited because this technology is so new to me. These tablets, these computers, they're very, very new to us. So we are very, very grateful, thankful for what they have done for us.
I can just do the working out on the tablet. I can move the things them and write and connect to the board.
And he doesn't want to be the only one benefiting.
I think schools in Jamaica should have smart rooms like this so that the students can learn easier and understand the work faster.
But if I'm doing my homework, I can go on a video and pause it and rewind it and use my own space, use my own time to help me to understand.
All teachers were trained to maneuver the lab.
And these children that we're getting, they are equipped, they are ready to learn, and especially I must put this plug in, our boys. The smart room is going to do wonders for especially our boys who are technology driven. They want the hands-on, and it caters to the different learning styles.
This is one of the boys she's talking about.
That rather than writing and having to process information at one at a time, I can understand it more freely at my own pace. So rather than having to move with the lesson, depending on what we're learning, I can move at a more personalized speed.
And the first time I came into the smart room, I said, whoa, I think this is one of the most exciting experiences because it's a new and improved way of learning, and because I'm always on my device, I can incorporate my device into my learning.
It's no crime scene, but the police, well, it arrested their attention. They believe this type of investment is warranted across more schools.
I'm just happy to be here, to just engage in this technological era and where it's going and how it's impacting our kids and our students.
Colleen Williams-Lynn, CEO of Coldax Smart.
So it's shared learning, improved learning. It's learning and enhanced learning experience, to be honest.
There's also a sentimental connection.
I came to St. Aloysius because this is a school that my dad went to, and I wanted to find a way to honor his legacy and his vision. That once the room was finished, we trained the teachers, from the youngest to the oldest in the profession here at St. Aloysius. They just embraced it, to be honest. The hope that this has provided, like you said, there's students who don't have access to this kind of environment. And so this is bringing it to them in a learning environment. And it's not just about the literacy or the numeracy that they can learn. It's about everything.
With your ray of hope, I'm Ramarda Lyons.